Good morning, everybody. Another rainy one here in Georgia. I've been slacking a little bit on the videos. I've been busy, so I'm putting a couple videos together. That way I can upload them, but hope everybody had a good night's sleep. It is Wednesday, and it's a rainy one here. So we got a no heat call. So let's see what we find.
Red light down here.
Okay.
And it just stopped working.
So what? It just ain't blowing no air, or it's just
ain't.
Okay.
The thing upstairs, it'll click, but it will never come on.
Okay. Okay, so we turn that thermostat on. We got a code. It says idle. It says EE5 or 335, whatever that means. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. All right, we're gonna jump this thing up, see what it does. W and put it on R. This thing don't really work too well. See what that code means. EE5. Open fuse. Okay, I'm tripping. Open fuse. Alright. So yeah, we do got an open fuse. Alright, so we got our call for heat. Nothing blown right now. I'm gonna ask them if they run it in cool mode. I'm gonna put it on cool mode and see if it'll blow a fuse. Alright, so I'm gonna go inside to turn off that thermostat, and then I'll jump everything out here and see if it'll blow a fuse in the cooling circuit. So off. Alright, so we know the heating is working. We're just gonna try it one more time. Put it on W and R without the furnace. Without the thermostat calling. Okay. So it calls for it. Now let's put R and G. Okay, our blower is starting up. All right, now let's put R and Y. Okay, so it popped the fuse. It popped the little popper. All right, so the issue is outside. So I'm sure that they probably got hot over the weekend or something, and they turned on the cool. They spliced this right here. So yeah, they turned on the cool, and that's what popped the fuse. So before we say it's the contactor or something else or something touching, we'll look at the wiring. Okay, let me see if they got any dogs. Let me ask them if they got any dogs. I ain't trying to get bit. Okay guys, it's a wet one today. We got our umbrella. It's more so for my tools, guys. More so for the tools. All right, let me see. Sometimes the dogs chew this up. I think I see anything chewed up. Okay. Let's see. Got the red and white. Oh, that white is stripped back. That white is stripped back a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm still gonna ohm out the contactor in a few. Look at that white wire. It was probably touching the let me see. So this goes into the pressure switches, comes back out. All right. $17, that looks, it's pretty normal, I believe. If I can remember, that's pretty normal. We got continuity. So let's kind of put this back how it was. See if, all right, so we'll put this back. Before I do that, I'm gonna ensure that the pressure switch isn't touching any ground or anything, any copper. These Goodmans, sometimes they'll rub against the copper. So the pressure switch is closed. Nope, nothing. So we should be good. Let's try restripping that wire. And we'll go from there. Yeah, look, it was This is how it was. So it was pretty exposed. And I'm sure the way it was leaning, it was touching that condenser. So it was shorting. So, alright, got the new wiring on there. Let's jump this bad boy out. See if our fuse won't blow again. Okay, so reset that. Put this on R. Okay, we got power. That was our issue. Simple little fix. All right, let's go get some pictures and let's get up out of here. So, make sure we put these back on. I almost forgot. I was about to head out. I was getting my my umbrella, and I was like, oh yeah, my disconnect. I would have been back out here. So y'all see how this is super loose? I'm just gonna squeeze it a little bit. There we go. That's good right there. All right, let's get this door on and we are good, guys. We are good to go.